Welcome to the investment markets overview for the week ending the 26th of March 2021. The global supply chain took a hit this week by the grounding of a huge container ship, the Ever Given, as it attempted to transit the 120-mile-long Suez Canal. There are 300 vessels log-jammed at either end of the canal awaiting for experts to shift the vessel or contemplating the far more expensive, in both time and money, of rerouting around the bottom of South Africa. The timing of this event is unfortunate to put it mildly, as shipping companies struggle to recover from the global lockdowns. Political trade wars compound the problem. Whilst consumers are increasingly more cautious on spending, a subject this week's overview focuses on. The overview includes the performance statistics for the main stock indices. These were mixed and volatile once again. Whilst the sovereign bond yields and commodities covered within the full 5-page overview were lower across the board. The currency winners and losers are also highlighted. Whilst the regional coverage looks at the slide in US personal incomes and spending, UK retail sales and the hollowing out of the high street, plus an insight into the origin of the persistent seller of US Treasuries over the past few months, which has sparked a rout across US interest rates, stocks and other core assets. We conclude this week's overview by returning to the subject of US personal incomes, noting that hourly compensation grew roughly in line with productivity from 1948 until the early 1970s, since when productivity has far outpaced incomes. Technology has reduced the cost of labor, thanks to robots, ATMs, computers, automated production lines, and much more. A final performance table for the major stock indices since the year 2000 concludes the investment markets overview. A one-month trial of this 40 times per year publication is available for less than $15. It's an ideal opportunity to grab the bargain discount for 4 publications. We strive to turn the technical into investment made easier, by way of factual charts and plain speaking. Join us for a guide through the maze of economic and market data via the weekly 5-page overview.